Consumers look for seamless and instant cross-channel banking experiences. However, fragmented legacy platforms are impeding progress towards truly omni-channel banking. BlueVerse Cloud is a cloud-based multi-vendor self-service platform that provides a cohesive customer journey from any touchpoint. As consumers move across multiple channels, they can experience a more organically connected, seamless omni-channel banking service. Through the use of an open API, BlueVerse Cloud allows for greater scalability and flexibility of system changes and processes on self-service terminals. All software deployments are controlled from a central server to reduce the time and cost associated with software changes and updates. ATM and self-service channels also enable targeted marketing and personalized services to be deployed in a consistent manner across channels. Exceptional experiences made easy with BlueVerse Cloud.